Hello everyone, today next add-on, this time CAD transform. So let's begin. Let's add mesh, cube, duplicate, cube, and now let's select this CAD transform. Right side you have all shortcuts for this add-on. So now hit G, select the first point, and you can snap to another object. Second one, hit R, and rotate, Y to change axis. For example, we can hit S to scale. It's very precise tool. Link for this add-on is in the description.